Mana? Mana? Ano ka?
A few moments later.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning viewers. How are you there? I hope you are all fine. Okay, we are from 6th group. The one to fulfill your asking and giving opinion. The title is in holiday in Jennifer. Okay, I am is Muhammad Satul Arifin.
I am is Muhammad Al-Fatih.
I am from 8th class. Junior 6th group of class academy. Let's take it out. Hello bro, how are you?
I'm good. What's about you?
I'm good, very good.
I'm August. I want to go to holiday with my family.
Seriously, that's good.
That's I want to go Latin Park. I think that Brazil is very good holiday with our family. So what about your opinion for my holiday?
I think that Brazil is very good.
Hello.
For holiday with your family. So we can,
Hello.
I can know from uncle. Into the back of the big zoo. So we can see so many animals in that place.
When you go to Latin Park.
It was 1 year ago my uncle told me about that park.
Oh, okay.
So I have a good holiday with your family. When you will go to the park,
I want to go to Latin Park in December.
you must buy a ticket with your parents.
Yes, I have a ticket to you now when in the Latin Park.
I can know after school. I give a location about the park.
In my opinion, you might follow a student because you know what is education.
May I follow your family?
Yes.
Hello.
Okay, after this, I want to ask my parents about it.
Yes, you must ask to your parents before it.
Okay, thank you.
In Latin Park.
I never until 2 bits just it.
Hello.
I'm just starting what is your output in here do you have immediate?
I think that we will eat soto in here today.
We win the Soto.
We can look for the soto in northeast this beach.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Saatnya sudah, ayo